chapter 1. Today we're going to learn more about bowling, especially about fast bowling. What is the grip that you use to bowl an outswinger or an in-swinger, which is quite common. What are the different kind of grip? You bowl slow one, you bowl different type of slow ones as well. So these are few grips that you need to learn or you need to understand what is the right grip to a good fast bowler. If you can see, this is the ball which is a two-way ball where you can see different colors around. Now, if I'm a fast bowler who wants to bowl an outswinger, that's the basic thing that I would say that most of the bowlers are naturally outswinger because of their weight in the ball. And there are in-swing natural bowlers as well, but probability of outswingers are more just because of the natural way they hit the ball. Now what happens is, how do you bowl a good outswinger? You see the seam. Hi guys, welcome to chapter 2. So we're gonna learn more about what should be the right run-up for a good fast bowler. What is the right way to have a right run-up? Because if you are a good fast bowler, if you want to become a good fast bowler, the key is that how you start, and you start with your run-up. That is the first point of start that you do when you really want to bowl. And a right run-up will help you to be a very good fast bowler, because that rhythm will help you to get your body motion towards the target every single time you run towards the bowling mark. So it is very important to understand that what kind of run-up or how you can have a right run-up when you are running. Usually what happens is, whenever a ball is given to a fast bowler, the bowler tend to hold the ball like this and run, which is probably the wrong thing to do. You need to make sure. I'll explain you later that why is it wrong. What you have to do. Hi guys, welcome to chapter 3. So once we are done with your run-up, you go to your bowling strike. That is the most important thing, that a fast bowler should have a good bowling strike. If you are in your run-up, when you are running towards the target, you need to make sure that you are not wasting your energy by just pushing yourself anywhere. You need to make sure that your whole body weight is going towards the target. And to get that right body weight going behind the ball, you need to make sure when you are running bowling strike, you get your bowling arm close in front of your body, because when your hands goes behind, your body weight falls as well. So if you see, if I am here, my body weight will be in front. If my bowling arm goes from here, but the time I get my bowling arm behind, everything goes behind. Hi guys, welcome to chapter 4. And we are going to learn more about how to bowl spin. A good spin bowler should always have a good grip, first thing, and it's very important that a spin bowler should spin the ball, and that is the key. You can't just be rolling your fingers over the ball and you are expecting a ball to turn. That is not the thing. You should really try and spin the ball. And to spin the ball, you need to have a right grip. If I am a spinner, I make sure that if on a flat track and try and spin the ball. If you try and spin the ball, your finger positions are right. You tend to get a bite out of it. You tend to get bounce as well on the counter wicket. So it's very important that you have a right grip. If you have a right grip, I'll just demonstrate you what is the right grip for a spin ball. So what is the right grip for a spinner? I mean, if I'm an off spinner, I'll make sure my seam position. Hi guys, welcome to chapter 5. So guys, we're gonna learn today how to bowl a leg spin. A leg spin is a bowler who is using his wrist a lot, just because by using his wrist he gets more rotations on the ball. But the only thing that he really needs to work on is his control towards the ball. It's easier to release the ball like this, but then to control and pitch it at the right area, it's not easy for a leg spin. It's very important that you grip the ball in the right way. Now what is the right grip for a leg spin? You keep both your fingers close to each other. You focus, the main focus will be on this finger. This finger should always, as I said, for an off spinner or left hand spinner, the first finger should be on top. Now the focus will be on this finger, because the more rotations you get, the more spin you get, and to get more rotations, you can see if I spin the ball with this finger, I get more rotations than these two fingers. During the slow over, there is no changes that has occurred. I mean, everything goes as per what you move. Your arm goes up to everything. The speed of your arm is also faster. The only thing that you do is you just roll your fingers over the ball. There is no other changes that you have to do, because if you want to, as I said, if you want to fool a batsman, you don't have to really cut the pace as from 130 to 100. That should not be the thing. You should be bowling slower by just with a minute change in your pace of the ball. It's just fooling the batsman at that particular time. So there, as I said, there are different kind of so one is just rolling the ball like this over the ball, and another one is releasing it from behind. So if you see the release should be like this. So when you release it, again the seam position will be upright.